Hi, my name is Marissa. I'm from the Adventure World marketing team, and today I'm going to show you how to make the American classic pumpkin pie. I grew up in Illinois, and pumpkin pie was always a feature of our Thanksgiving and 4th of July and lots of family celebrations, so it's a super common and well-loved dessert. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Get yourself a 24 centimeter pie dish and line it with shortcrust pastry. I've used store-bought. You can make your own if you choose. The other things that you will need is 1 tin of canned pumpkin. You can find it in Australia. It particularly does pop up around Thanksgiving time. I've gotten it at David Jones food halls before, and I've also seen it at Woolworths and Kohl's. The other thing you will need is a tin of condensed milk. In Australia, they come in a slightly different size, 375 mils, and you actually only need about 350. So if you just pour off a giant tablespoon, you'll be about right. The other thing that you will need is 2 eggs. You will need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. So let's put it all together. So when you're ready to assemble, the first thing you want to do is just gently mix all of your dry ingredients together. Just give it a bit of a mix. Pick up any lumps of sugar. And your next step then will be to crack your 2 eggs into a large bowl. And just very lightly beat them. Once you have beaten the eggs, you just put in your pumpkin mix. Try to get all of it out of there. And give things a gentle stir. Stir in your dry ingredients. Once that is thoroughly mixed, just gradually add your evaporated milk. So you'll notice that the mixture is quite soupy and quite thin. Don't panic. When you bake it, it will actually set. And once everything is thoroughly incorporated, you can simply pour it into your prepared pie shell. No need to pre-bake your pastry. And then you're ready to pop it in the oven. So you will bake that at 220 degrees for 15 minutes, and then after that you need to turn it down to about 180 degrees and bake it for an additional 4. So after your pie's been in for about 45 minutes, take a peek, and you'll see that it's nice and set, and you've got a nice golden brown crust. After you have taken it out of the oven, let it sit and cool for at least 2 hours. After that, you can serve or pop it in the fridge, and just make sure that you serve it with plenty of cream or vanilla ice cream.